And that's how Oreo cookies are made. How they make millions every single day is made, from raw materials to the final product.
Inside this facility, millions of Oreos are produced daily, a process overseen by our skilled South Asian.
At the edge of the industrial district, a titan of food production wakes to begin its daily cycle. Millions of pounds of high-grade flour and sugar are inhaled into the factory's veins every single hour. Quality control begins at the molecular level, where even the smallest grain must meet rigorous standards. Behind every automated movement is a team of experts, ensuring the machinery operates with surgical precision.
The audio features the sound of machinery, including the humming of motors and the whirring of fans. There are
Before a single gear turns, every ingredient must pass through the hands of our quality control specialists to ensure absolute perfection.
At the command center, the master blender orchestrates the flow of thousands of pounds of raw materials with a single touch.
Behind every batch is a team of engineers, ensuring that every gear and bearing operates within a hair's breadth of perfection.
Logistics experts manage the intake of raw materials, creating a constant stream of ingredients that feeds the massive production line.
Purity is paramount. Our sanitation teams use advanced thermal systems to maintain a sterile environment before the first mixing cycle begins. Every single Oreo starts its journey not in a mixer, but in the hands of a scientist who ensure that the raw cocoa meets uncompromising standards.
From this central hub, the master of the floor monitors thousands of data points, keeping the mechanical heart of the factory beating in perfect time.
Precision is paramount. We measure the exact pressure needed to snap a cookie to ensure that signature crunch is identical every time.
Maintenance isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's the art of preventative care that keeps millions of cookies moving without a second of delay.
To manage a facility of this scale, you have to see the big picture, where raw engineering meets the sheer speed of global demand.
The journey begins with raw materials. Every gram of cocoa and flour is weighed with laboratory precision to ensure global consistency.
Moisture is the catalyst. As liquid sugar meets the dry base, the iconic dark dough begins to take its final form. Machines may do the heavy lifting, but human eyes ensure perfection. Our technicians verify the chemical balance of every single batch.
The rotary molder is the heart of the shape. Thousands of cookies are embossed every minute with the signature pattern the world recognizes.
Precision in placement is critical. Evenly spaced on a steel mesh, the raw wafers prepare to enter a furnace that spans the length of a football field. Before a single cookie is baked, rigorous testing ensures the chemical composition of the cocoa meets exact global standards for color and acidity.
These massive mixers, high-torque blades combine the raw ingredients into a dense, dark dough.
A high-speed rotary molder stamps the iconic design into dough using precision-engineered brass adapters.
Advanced optical sensors and high-speed sorters scan the line, ensuring that only the most perfectly shaped wafers proceed to the baking stage.
The cookies enter a 300-foot tunnel oven, where precisely controlled convection currents bake them to a...
At the heart of the facility, high-shear mixers combine alkalized cocoa with specialist fats to create a uniform, dark emulsion.
This dense ribbon of chocolate dough moves rapidly toward the molding line, maintained at a strict temperature to ensure malleability.
Precision-etched rotary molds stamp the legendary design into the dough, forming thousands of shells every single minute.
The shells enter a massive convection oven, where radiant heat sets their structure, creating the perfect crunch.
Automated vision systems scan every single shell for imperfections, ensuring only flawless cookies proceed to the filling station. At the heart of the line, the rotary molder compresses the cocoa dough into its signature shape at a rate of 5,000 wafers per minute.
Nothing is wasted. The excess dough is immediately reclaimed and cycled back into the start of the process.
Precision sensors ensure that the thousands of individual cookies remain perfectly aligned for their journey into the heat.
The cookies now enter a massive tunnel oven, where they will spend the next several minutes under carefully controlled thermal conditions.
It is here that the chemistry happens. The dough expands and sets, creating that world-famous crunch.
Every single Oreo starts its life here, pressed into form by a rotary molder that exerts thousands of pounds of pressure.
Consistency is key. If a single row is misaligned by even a millimeter, the entire high-speed packaging system downstream could fail. The cookies now enter a 100-meter-long tunnel oven, where they will be baked to an exact moisture level to ensure that signature snap.
It takes just minutes for the heat to transform soft dough into the crunchy biscuit that defines the Oreo experience.
Before they can be filled with cream, the cookies must be cooled slowly to prevent them from shattering during the high-speed assembly.
Leaving the heat of the ovens, the wafers enter a precisely controlled cooling phase to lock in their crunchy texture.
Before assembly can begin, the cookies must be perfectly oriented using high-speed mechanical flipping systems. Next, the proprietary creme filling is extruded through precision manifolds with surgical accuracy onto each base wafer.
In a seamless mechanical marriage, the top wafers are placed, completing the iconic sandwich structure at incredible speeds.
Finally, calibrated rollers apply precise pressure to bond the layers, ensuring every cookie meets exact thickness specifications.
After the intense heat of the oven, the wafers must be rapidly stabilized in these cooling tunnels to achieve the perfect snap.
Precision is paramount. Every second row is flipped upside down to prepare a base for the iconic white filling. Specially formulated creme is extruded at high speed, ensuring each cookie receives the exact same volume of filling.
Nothing is left to chance. Optical sensors check every single cookie to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
In the final assembly step, the top wafer is pressed down, completing the sandwich and creating the snack we all recognize. After the intense heat of the ovens, the wafers must be tempered carefully to ensure the perfect crunch. Organization is key. Thousands of wafers are funneled into single-file lanes with micromillimeter precision.
The secret is in the creme. A high-pressure system ensures every cookie gets the exact same amount of filling.
The two halves meet for the first time as mechanical plungers apply the perfect amount of pressure. Nothing escapes the laser's eye. Even a fraction of a degree in tilt will result in an immediate rejection.
Temperature control is vital. The creme must be perfectly set before the cookies face the pressures of packaging.
Precision sorting ensures that every single cookie is perfectly positioned for the final assembly phase.
These mechanical fingers work with surgical precision to create uniform stacks ready for wrapping. Nitrogen flushing preserves the crunch, ensuring every cookie stays fresh from the factory to your home.
Safety is paramount. High-energy X-rays inspect every pack for even the smallest imperfections.
Precision cooling is vital. If the wafers remain too hot, the cream filling will melt upon contact. Every single wafer must be oriented perfectly to ensure the branding is visible on both sides of the final sandwich. The secret to the filling is the aeration process, which provides that distinct melt-in-your-mouth texture fans expect.
These manifolds are capable of processing thousands of cookies per minute with near zero margin for error.
In this final assembly step, the two individual wafers are finally joined to create the iconic sandwich cookie.
Before the cream can be added, the individual chocolate shells must be perfectly oriented and spaced along these precision-engineered tracks. Millions of times a day, these automated manifolds deliver the exact same amount of signature white cream to every single cookie. The capping process is a feat of high-speed engineering. where the top and bottom shells are united in a perfect mechanical embrace.
Stability is key. The cooling tunnel rapidly lowers the temperature to set the cream, ensuring the cookies don't crumble later.
Nothing is left to chance. Every single cookie is analyzed by optical sensors to ensure only perfection reaches the consumer.
At this speed, the creme deposition must be perfect to the milligram, ensuring every single cookie has the exact same ratio of filling.
The capping process is a mechanical ballet, where gravity and vacuum suction work together to complete thousands of sandwiches every minute.
Pressure is everything. Too much and the wafer breaks, too little and the cookie falls apart. It must be precisely balanced.
Before they can be wrapped, the cookies must take a long, cold walk. This sets the creme filling, locking the sandwich together forever. Now perfectly set and sorted, millions of cookies are funneled into lanes, ready to be wrapped and shipped to every corner of the globe.
At this stage, the iconic sandwich is formed using high-speed rotary manifolds that depose the cream filling with sub-millimeter precision.
Advanced vision systems scan thousands of units per minute, using laser precision to reject any cookie that doesn't meet our exacting standards.
Cooling is essential. It sets the cream and ensures the cookies maintain their structural integrity throughout the packaging process.
Precision star wheels now organize the cookies into vertical rows, counting them with absolute accuracy for the final packaging.
The final stage of production begins as the cookies are synchronized with the flow wrapping film, ready to be sealed for freshness.
Every single Oreo must pass through rigorous electronic inspection to ensure zero contamination.
Controlled cooling is essential to set the cream and ensure the cookies maintain their perfect crunch.
Automation converts a chaotic river of cookies into precisely measured stacks for the packaging trays.
Precision robotics handle the product with a speed and consistency that manual labor could never achieve.
Airtight sealing and nitrogen flushing guarantee that every cookie remains fresh from the factory to the pantry.
Every single cookie is scanned by high-speed vision systems that check for even the smallest imperfection.
Defective cookies are instantly blasted off the line by precise bursts of compressed air at incredible speeds.
A complex channelizer then organizes the cookies into perfectly aligned rows, ready for the final leg of their journey.
Mechanical arms flip the cookies upright, grouping them into the exact counts you find in every package. Vibrate trays use resonance to keep the stacks moving smoothly toward the high-speed wrapping machines.
Every single cookie must pass through advanced electromagnetic sensors to ensure absolute purity before it can be packaged for consumers. Precision vibration and optical counting ensure that every package contains the exact number of cookies, aligned to the millimeter.
Protective packaging film is applied at incredible speeds, creating a moisture-proof barrier that locks in the signature Oreo freshness.
Heated crimpers create a hermetic seal, while a blast of nitrogen ensures the cookies stay fresh from the factory to your pantry.
Robotic precision takes over for the final boxing stage, preparing millions of cookies for their journey to stores all over the world.
Every single cookie is scrutinized by high-speed vision systems to ensure perfect symmetry and filling alignment.
Precision star wheels transition the cookies from flat belts into perfectly counted vertical stacks ready for wrapping.
Hermetic sealing is performed in milliseconds, locking in freshness within the iconic blue and white packaging.
Secondary packaging systems coordinate the assembly of cardboard cartons to protect the product during global transit.
Autonomous robotic arms handle the heavy lifting, organizing the finished goods for their journey to millions of households.
At this velocity, traditional mechanical gates would crumble, which is why vision-guided Delta robots are essential for handling thousands of cookies every minute. Sealing millions of packs a day requires a perfect balance of thermal energy and mechanical timing to ensure every Oreo arrives fresh and intact.
Secondary packaging is where individual units become a bulk shipment, transformed through a series of rapid pneumatic folds and industrial-strength adhesives.
Precision stacking at this scale is a feat of engineering, ensuring that thousands of pounds of product remain stable during the global journey ahead. In this massive logistics hub, the journey of the cookie is nearly complete. ready to be dispatched to every corner of the world.
Secondary packaging ensures that every unit is protected and accounted for before leaving the facility.
Robotics handle the heavy lifting, creating perfect stacks ready for the global supply chain.
Efficiency doesn't end at the production line. It extends through every inch of this massive distribution hub.
Millions of units are shipped out daily, ensuring that the world's favorite cookie is always in stock.
And that's how Oreo cookies are made, from raw materials to the final product.
At the end of the line, precision robotics take over to ensure every pallet is perfectly balanced and secured for shipping.
This massive automated warehouse acts as the heart of the distribution network, managing millions of cookies with surgical precision.
Every hour, dozens of trucks depart from these docks, carrying the results of our meticulous manufacturing process to the world.
As the sun sets, the factory continues its relentless pace, a beacon of industrial productivity and engineering excellence.